Shlok 39 of chapter 1.
Katham na jneyyamasmabhih aapadasman nivartitum kulakshaya kritan dosham prapashyadhirjanardana.
Janardhan katham na asmabhir geyam nivartitum asmat papat. O Janardhan, why shouldn't we think to withdraw from this sin? Prapashadbhir dosham, are clearly seeing the sin, kulakshay kritam, that will be committed because of the destruction of the clan. Janardhan katham na asmabhir gyayam nivartitum asmat papat prapashadbhir dosham kulakshay kritam. Interpretation. O Janardhan, why shouldn't we all think over this useless fight to withdraw ourselves from this sin of massive great destruction that is going to take place in the world? Because we are clearly seeing the immediate sin that will be committed because of the destruction of the clan, connected to all the people residing in Bharat.